guys, so if you've been watching any of my videos, you have seen a lot of coffee stuff, and I've told you a few things that I was going to talk about. So I'm going to talk about this milk frother. So I've already made my coffee and my espresso here with my machine. If you want to know more about it, watch the video I just put out. But today I'm here to talk to you about this cute kitchen gadget. I'm all about some kitchen gadgets, and any of you mamas that have some really cool ones, let me know what you love and I might give it a try and make a video about it. So this is made by Zulay. I ordered it off Amazon. I don't remember it being very expensive. I'll put a link in the description below. But how cute is this little stand that it goes with? So I love that. It's always in the same spot. I don't have to worry about losing it, and it makes sure that nothing gooey like gets on it and stays on it. So I don't have to store it in a drawer and it get bent and everything like that. What is the purpose of this? Okay, so I use it sometimes just to stir my coffee, which I know is not the reason that this is made, but I do use it for that. I'm just being honest. But I will show you what it does. So I've got my coffee and my espresso, my wonderful creamer that's not refrigerated. If you want to know more about that, there's a video. People make coffee all different ways. There's a gazillion recipes online. Gazillion. Anyways, there's a lot of recipes, a lot of things you can do. I'm just simple, plain Jane. So if I want to get fancy, sometimes my boys like iced coffee. So I will get milk. This is just regular 2% milk. I'll put a few squirts of my creamer, a few pumps of my creamer in here. So let's do about 3 pumps. And then I get this little gadget. It has the on and off button. It only takes like, I think it's like 2 AAAs or 2, yeah, I think it's 2 AAAs. So you just start frothing. So what you do is you put it at the top, and this little bit of milk is gonna fill up this whole cup. It's amazing. We'll probably have to fast forward through this a little bit, but I don't know if you can see, but not only is it stirring up the coffee creamer that I added and the milk, but it's frothing the milk. So practically it's like a whisk, but like on steroids, and it's smaller. I've heard of people actually using this to scramble eggs. I've not used it for that, but I'm not saying it wouldn't work.
Hey, let me cut in right here. Yeah, I tried using that to scramble eggs after this video. It did not work. So don't, it just didn't work for me. Don't use it for that.
I froth this about as much as I'm going to. There's probably some secrets like the temperature of the milk or the way you hold it and stuff like that to make it frothier. But anyways, as you can see, this is almost like, it's made a pretty large difference as far as like the air that's in it. So now I am going to pour it into my espresso. Actually, I'm going to pour the milk into here, and then this last little bit, I wish I could decorate. This is shout out to Living Easy. If I could write in milk, that's what I would put, but I can't. So anyways, this is another one of my favorite kitchen gadgets. Let me know if you have these, and if you do, what do you use it for other than frothing milk? Thanks for coming to have coffee with us again. I promise I will move away from coffee. There are so many other cool things that I want to show you guys. So come back and check us out for some more hacks or gadgets or whatever it is that's going to make your life easier.